Tacoma Ground, November 4901 Sierra Foxtrot in front of hub, requesting taxi for active runway. We have information. Roger.
Cessna 4901 Sierra Foxtrot, Tacoma Ground, runway 17, taxi via Bravo 2, then Alpha. Wind 160 at 6, altimeter 29903. And what is your departing direction?
We are departing to west, 10 Foxtrot.
Cessna 1 Sierra Foxtrot, roger.
Tower 4901 Sierra Foxtrot, we are ready to take off from runway 17. We have information Tango, westbound departure.
Cessna 4901 Sierra Foxtrot, Tacoma Tower, roger. Right turnout west departures approved. Runway 17 cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, right turn 17, 10 Foxtrot. 行きます。
はい。
Right side clear, final clear. Okay, engines mental green. 17 set. Okay, powering up. Releasing brake.
Cessna 972, runway 17, wind 150 at 8, cleared to land.
Tacoma Tower 1 Sierra Foxtrot, frequency change request.
Cessna 1 Sierra Foxtrot, no observed traffic, frequency change approved. Good night.
Great, thanks for your help. Good night, 10 Foxtrot.
Cessna 972, monitor ground, taxi to parking, via left turn on Alpha, then Bravo 3.
Left turn on Alpha, Bravo 3, monitor ground, Cessna 972, good night.
Cessna 70 Romeo number 2, follow the Cessna over the approach lights, runway 17, cleared to land.
Runway 17. 17 clear to land, traffic inside 10 Romeo.
Cessna 70 Romeo, roger.
Paine Airport information, Quebec, 0153 Zulu, wind 200 at 8, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 9er, dew point -1, altimeter 29903. Visual approach in use, arriving and departing, runner 16 right and 16 left. Notice to airmen. Hazardous weather information available on flight service frequencies. Advise you have information, Quebec.
Paine Tower, November 4901 Sierra Foxtrot, request.
November 4901 Sierra Foxtrot, Paine Tower, say request.
We are at 9 miles southwest of the airport, requesting touch and go, active runway 16 right. We have information Quebec, 10 Foxtrot.
Cessna 1 Sierra Foxtrot, enter right downwind, runway 16 right.
Enter one right downwind, 17 Foxtrot.
Husky 5 Hotel Uniform, extend upwind, you'll be following Cessna entering downwind from the west.
5 Hotel Uniform extending upwind has traffic from the west.
Cessna 1 Sierra Foxtrot, same intentions after your touch and go.
After touch and go, if possible, we'd like to eastbound departure 10 Foxtrot.
Cessna 1 Sierra Foxtrot, runway 16 right, cleared touch and go, following the touch and go, eastbound departure approved.
Eastbound departure approved, 16 right.
Husky 5 Hotel Uniform, follow the Cessna entering downwind. They will be a touch and go, runway 16 right, cleared to the option.
98.5 Whiskey Alpha, Paine Tower, enter left downwind, runway 16 left, report 2 miles south.
Coming to 400 feet.
Okay. November 10 Foxtrot, fly runway heading, I'll clear eastbound turn.
Runway heading 10 Foxtrot.
Cessna 4910 Foxtrot, traffic ahead to your left is Cessna. Behind that Cessna, eastbound approved.
Behind the Cessna, traffic inside, eastbound approved. Thank you, 10 Foxtrot.